Introducing the 2008 Audi A8 W12, presented by Brothers Auto Outlet LLC. Experience luxury and power with its W12 engine and 6-speed automatic transmission paired with Quattro all-wheel drive. This stunning gray exterior features a sleek black interior loaded with top-tier options like leather seats, remote start, navigation, and a rear entertainment unit. Ready to elevate your driving experience? Contact Brothers Auto Outlet LLC to learn more, book a test drive, or browse our inventory by scanning the QR code.